Good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to teach you, or we are going to conduct practical about solubility of a substance in water. So before I am going to start, someone please explain what is solubility. Say Darshan.
The substance that can dissolve in water or solvent is known as
Solubility. The property of a substance to dissolve in solvent is known as solubility. So here two key terms are there, solute and solvent. So what is solute and what is solvent? Solute is a substance which gets dissolved in water or in solvent, whereas solvent is a substance in which solute gets dissolved. For example, mango juice. So can anyone explain in mango juice what is solvent and what is solute? Anyone else? Pratik, in mango juice, which is solvent and which is solute? In mango juice, what is solute and what is solvent? Ranveer? Say Darshan.
mango is solute and water or milk is solvent.
Yes, mango is solute, whereas water or milk is a solvent. Okay. So before we are going to start, let me introduce with the apparatus or the requirements that are for this experiment. So this is conical flask for measurement. This is beaker. This is glass rod. This is dropper. And I have taken 4 samples in beaker. So in beaker A, I have taken sand. Beaker B, I have taken salt. Beaker C, chalk powder is there. And in beaker D, sugar is there. So we are going to do solubility test to check whether the substance is soluble in water or insoluble in water. So what is the aim or objective of this experiment? To check the solubility of a substance in water. So what is aim of this experiment? Can anyone say? Say Ranveer.
And to check the solubility, which example is soluble in water.
Either it is soluble or insoluble. And these are all the requirements or material needed to perform this experiment. Now procedure I am going to do. So in beaker A, I have taken sand. Now I am going to pour water in this beaker. With the help of glass rod, mixing is done. Now what is observation or result? Either sand is soluble in water or not. It is soluble or insoluble.
It is insoluble.
Insoluble. Sand is insoluble in water. Now second number. Salt. It dissolves in water or not?
Yes,
So it is soluble or insoluble?
soluble.
So salt is soluble in water. Now in this solution, can anyone tell me what is solute and what is solvent? Solute?
Solute in salt.
Salt. And what is solvent, Pratik?
Water.
Water is the solvent. So third number, I have taken chalk powder. So you can see here, chalk is getting dissolved in water or not? Complete dissolved in water or not?
Yes. Yes.
Dissolved?
Yes,
Chalk
yes.
powder? It is settling down. Chalk powder, it is dissolved in water or not?
No.
It is settling down. You can see 2 layers form here. First above only water is there, and below all the thick salt settle down at the bottom of the beaker. Okay. So this is soluble or insoluble?
Insoluble.
Now last is sugar. Does sugar gets dissolved in water?
Yes.
Have you had lemon juice at your home?
Yes.
What are the ingredients used in lemon juice? Oil get dissolved in water?
No.
So it is soluble or insoluble?
Insoluble.
Oil floats above water. Okay. So beaker A, sand, it is soluble or insoluble?
Insoluble.
Beaker 2, salt.
Soluble.
Beaker 3,
Insoluble.
what is there in beaker 3?
Salt powder.
And last one is sugar. Sugar gets dissolved.
Yes.
So by this experiment, what conclusion you get? By this experiment, what conclusion or what observation we can get? That there are some substances which are readily dissolved in water and there are some substances which cannot dissolve in water. Those substances which get dissolved is known as soluble and those substances which cannot dissolve are known as insoluble. So here insoluble example,
Sand and some powder.
and soluble example,
Salt.
thank you.